Welcome to Cooking with Pops. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell, set post notifications to all. Hey crew, today's video will be a kiwi pineapple lemonade, and this will be a 5-ingredient lemonade. Here are the ingredients we'll be using. We'll be using lemonade. We'll also be using a pineapple. We'll be using kiwi and sugar. If you'd like to see this full video, please stay tuned, stick around, and don't forget to like and comment on the video. Let's get into this kiwi pineapple lemonade video. Okay, crew, so I'm going to start off with the pineapple, and I'm just twisting off the top of the pineapple. Then I'm going to peel it, and I'm going to cut it up. And, you know, as always, I don't want to bore y'all to death with long, drawn-out footage of me cutting and prepping. So I just give y'all a little taste of everything that I do. So here I'm just going to cut the side of the pineapple. Then after that, I'm going to cut the meat from around the core of the pineapple. Then we're going to move along to our kiwi. Also in the comment section, let us know how y'all doing. Let us know what you've been up to and how life been treating you. Right here, I'm just going to peel the kiwi, and I'm going to cut those in half. Okay, here's a close-up of our kiwi and our pineapple that I cut up. Also, please don't forget to like the video and share if you care. And here's the juicer that I'll be using that Queen reviewed a while back on the channel. And I'm going to start off by juicing the kiwi. So I'm going to show y'all that I'm putting it in there. Then I'm going to show y'all the juice of the kiwi coming out. I also did the same thing for the pineapple, and y'all will also see that inside the footage that's coming up next after I get done juicing the kiwi. So here's that famous close-up of our kiwi and pineapple juice. I know it doesn't look too appetizing, but I promise you, I tasted it and it's really good. So moving right along, I used 2 containers of the lemonade concentrate from Walmart. And no, this is not a sponsored video, but I'm just letting y'all know because y'all can see the great value name on it. And then I went in with 2 cups of water, then 3 containers of water. Okay, so we're gonna give our water and lemonade concentrate a mix. Then after that, we're gonna go in with our kiwi and pineapple juice. So after I added the kiwi pineapple juice to our lemonade, I gave it another mix. And I also didn't add a lot of sugar. I only went in with 1 cup of sugar, and it was not overly sweet. If you want to add more sugar, be my guest, because some people may like their lemonade more on the sweeter side. Okay, crew, so we got our pretty little picture, and I'm going to go in with some pineapple and kiwi. Then after that, you will see me go in with a few scoops of ice. Then after the ice, I went back in with more kiwi and pineapple. I just finished putting the last of the kiwi and pineapple in. And here we go. We about to pour up this kiwi pineapple lemonade into our pitcher. And when I tell y'all, it's so good. And y'all gonna hear Queen reaction towards the end of this video. But hey, I ain't gonna brag about it. I had to pat myself on the back. But here's that famous close-up of our kiwi pineapple lemonade. I'm about to fix up a glass of our kiwi pineapple lemonade, and I started off with some ice. Then I went in with a few pieces of pineapple and kiwi, and I also put some pineapple and kiwi on top of the jar. Then I went in with our kiwi pineapple lemonade.
How much you mean to me? I can get my head around how we used to be. You said you love me, and I gave my heart.
So here's that famous close-up of our kiwi pineapple lemonade. Don't that look good? If y'all give this recipe a try, please let me know how it turned out for y'all. Okay, crew. So kiwi pineapple lemonade is done, and the queen about to give it a taste and let y'all know what she think. So go ahead, baby. Get you a nice gulp of that.
You can taste the lemonade, you can taste the pineapples, and you can taste the kiwi. It's tart, it got a tiny bit of sweetness to it, but it's that perfect balance of everything. And so if you like more of a summertime tart drink, go ahead on and make that. It's really good.
Cheers, y'all.
I was about to drink some more. I didn't tell you to take it from me.
Ooh,
it's good.
That's that
It's
fire.
refreshing.
Okay, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please like the video, comment on the video. Until next time, y'all already know the saying. Pops out. Peace.